to BK Career Point. So here is an opportunity, internship opportunity from Goldman Sachs 2025 Engineering Campus Hiring Program. So you can see here details. So it is internship. So registrations for the program starts from August 16th, 2024. Last date to apply September 8th. So eligibility is pre-final year students graduating in 2026. So joining is May or June 2025. So Bangalore location. So internship, the program offers unparalleled opportunities to work on cutting edge technologies projects, collaborate with the top tier professionals and shape the future of finance. So anyhow, and the expected salary is internship is 1 lakh per month. So this is the program and process timelines also mentioned here. Registrations are August to September. Aptitude test will be in September. Coursework will be in October to November. 3 week technical test November. Interviews will be in November. Offer rollout వచ్చేసి December. So finally you will get the offer in December and you will be joining the opportunity in May or June 2025 as mentioned here. So the interested students and those who are completing the graduation by 2026 they can apply for this opportunity and the salary is expected 1 lakh per month. So the interested students can apply for it. Link is provided in the description box and share to all your friends those who are in need and like the video for better reach. Thank you all.